How to sign in Learner's 365 account or Learner's DepEd email. First, in your browser, type in office.com. Then click enter. Click sign in and type in email and then click next. So, yung email po, saan nyo po ba makukuha yan? So, hihingin nyo po yan or ibibigay po yan ni ICT Coordinator, which is, nakuha naman yan ni ICT Coordinator sa DepEd email ng inyong school. Also, the password given na rin doon. Andun na yung list ng mga learners na nagawa ng email and then also yung kanilang password. So, type in the email ng learners and then click next. And then, type in the given password of the learners and then click sign in. After clicking sign in, ganyan po yung lalabas. And type in also the current password. And then, type in the new password. Ayan, mag-create ka po dyan ng bagong password ng iyong learner. And then, after clicking the new password, type in the confirm password. So, sa confirm password, kung ano po yung nilagay nyo sa new password, yun din yung ilalagay nyo sa confirm password. And then, after typing all the password, click sign in. And then, click next. And then, may lalabas na ganyan. Keep your account secure. Just click skip setup. And then, after clicking skip setup, click yes. And then, ayan, okay na po. Nakapag-sign in ka na ng iyong learner's account. May lalabas na ganyan. So, click lang yung arrow. And then, ayan, done na po kayong mag-sign in sa inyong learner's account. So, kapag naman ikaw ay magsa-sign in ng another learner's account, just click the sign in with different account and then follow lang po yung mga naunang procedure. So, that's all. Thank you.